Hello my crafty friends, it's Jelly Bean, and this is a VR to Alicia's video. She's got two, she's got one she wanted a VR to, but I'm doing a VR to the other one where she asked, what's your favorite craft hack? And I've kind of briefly went over this before, but I didn't really give y'all a lot of details, and I wanted to show you this because this is my favorite craft hack. And I don't know if I came up with it, I thought of it, and I hadn't seen anyone else do it before, but I'm not saying no one has. So I just wanted to show y'all how I save money on paper and stickers. Now, I started copying my stickers, and I'm gonna show you. This is the actual sticker sheet that I bought, and see, you can see it's the actual sticker. And I love the sticker set, so I really didn't want to use a lot of it and have to go buy another one. So I thought, what if I make copies of it? So that's what I did. I started making copies of them, and I was very, very surprised at how well, which I only have just a regular Epson printer. I think it's a 2750, WF2750. It's nothing special, but I just put it on standard copy and make a copy just as if I would, you know, put a bill on there and make a copy. But as you can see, these are so similar that you can't really tell the difference. And what I do is I print them on this premium Georgia Pacific cardstock from Walmart. It's 150 sheets, and it's like 5 something. It used to be 3 something, but I guess with all the new tariffs that the price has gone up. But I printed on that, and then I take my trusty Elmer's glue stick and I glue a second piece in behind it, and it gets really, really stiff. And I on purpose did it crooked so y'all could see that there was 2 right here. But if you look really close, I want to try to see if I can show y'all this well enough. If you look on this sticker sheet right here, and I've got a bunch of bright lights hoping you can see. If you see through this dress form right here, you can see the green butterflies. Let me try to get it close. See the green butterflies and how it goes through the dress form? Okay, here is the copy. See how it's got the same exact thing? It makes such a good copy. And the thing that I like about it, when you make a copy of this, if you notice around it, it shows where the sticker line is, so you can fussy cut it. See how it's got the line around everything? And now, I enjoy fussy cutting. It's very relaxing to me. I know a lot of people fight with it and everything, but for someone who's trying to figure out how to fussy cut, if you make a copy of your sticker sheets, it'll put the line around it so you can figure out how to do it and about where you need to cut around it. But the only thing that I don't like about it is the sticker sheet is longer than my paper. So I have to move it and then move it up and get the bottom. But you see how the top's cut off here, so I just move it and get the top. And then when you cut them out, I mean, I'm gonna pull my sticker off. I really didn't want to, but I'm gonna do this just for y'all. Just for you, Alicia. But here is the actual sticker. I'm gonna get it real close so you can see. And here is our imitation. I mean, to me, I don't think there is enough of a difference to not use this. And plus, when you double it, I'm trying to get my sticker back. When you double it like this, it's very, very stiff. I know you can't probably hear that, but all of them come out so well I mean, if you get a magnifying glass and look really super close, you could probably tell the difference. But this is my craft hack that helps save me money. And you know, here's one of the butterflies, and here's the little bird. I'm gonna show you the little bird because it is so, I like this little bird and it is so close. And if you want a shine on it, a sheen, you can put glossy accents on it. I use glossy accents on a lot of my stickers and stuff I print out. Makes it look really good. But that's one. I want to show you a couple different variations because it works with a lot of them. Okay, I'm gonna get a piece of white paper and lay this on so you can see where the lines are and stuff. Now, this sticker pack has glitter on it, and I really like this. I like the birdhouse and the boot, and I put it on my copy machine and I made a copy of it. And what I did, so you could tell the difference. Now see, you can see the lines around everything, so you can fussy cut it out. But this one, I took just regular stickles and I put the glitter around here. Now I'm gonna cut off a couple lights so you can see the glitter and how they are similar. See if you can see it now. Alright, you can see, there you go. See how the glitter is there and on the boot? Now look at the original. I'm gonna put them side by side so you can see them. See the original? Now look at the copy. I'll try to get it where it gets a good, there. Okay, there's the copy. There's the original. See? And then the boot, I did the same thing. I left the others without glitter so you could see that it's a copy, but this is my boot. This is the original here, because it's the clear one. And then here's my copy. I just put stickles on it. So, to me, I think this works really well, and it saves me from having to go and buy a whole lot more stickers. Okay, before I started doing that, I had last year some Halloween fabric, and I really like this fabric and I wanted to do stuff with it, but I was just figuring out paper crafting, and when I would use the Mod Podge, it would be really stiff and hard and it didn't feel like fabric anymore. And I thought, well, what if I laid this on my copy machine and I made paper out of it? Now, granted, it is not as bold and bright as the fabric, you can see, but once I put, and I didn't have an example, I wish I did, but I wanted to hurry up and get this video up. Once you put triple thick on this, it'll be much darker and the color is bolder, plus it'll have a shine. And I had all kinds of fabric that I was copying and making copies of. I just wanted to share that with you. And then, see here, it's not as bold, but how cute would that be to cut these out, punch them out with your circle punch and make rosettes out of them. Here's some stripes. I didn't have any Halloween paper, but I had Halloween fabric, so that's what I did. Okay, and then I found out K & Company was going out of business, and that's one of my favorite papers. So I was watching Tina of Tina's Crafty Life one day, and she said something about making copies of her paper. And I don't know why I had copied fabric, I had copied stickers. Why didn't I think of copying paper? So I copied, this is K & Company paper. I pulled it out of a book. Now this is the original, and look here, this is the copy. I mean, there's really, I put a border around it so y'all could see, but there's really not enough difference that you couldn't use it. And now I have more K & Company paper. So that's another thing. And then I wanted to show you one more thing. I went in the I just got more stickers here that I was going to show y'all, but I think y'all get the idea. I went into Hobby Lobby one time and they had the most beautiful fabric I had ever seen. So I bought some and I was like, man, I want a shirt out of this and maybe a pair of shorts, and I wanted everything made out of this. It's got gold in it, and I know y'all really can't see that with this camera. It's my iPhone, but this was the most beautiful fabric I had ever seen. So I wanted to make some paper and start making stuff out of it. And I did make some stuff that I swapped out of it. I actually, I don't know if I loaded that video up or not. I think I did, but it was the I'll put a link to it, put it up in the little corner with the eye. But anyway, I put the fabric on the copy machine and I copied it. And although it's not as bold and vivid and the gold doesn't show up, I did something a little bit different with this, and I wanted to show y'all this. I had seen some, I believe they're K&Company stickers, yeah, and they're butterflies. And they're very, very dimensional. Let me take them out of the pack so y'all can see. Because they have layered like 2 or 3 layers on here, if y'all can see. So I thought, wouldn't that be cool if I did this like that? So what I did is I printed it twice and I went back and I fussy cut out just parts of it. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I have put double layers of some of these on here, and it's not always all of it. Like right here is just the center of that flower. Right here is just those little leaves and the little tiny flowers. I hope y'all can see this because I was really excited about how it came out. This paisley right here, this flower, the center, let me show you the center of the flower. And I just fussy cut out the same exact sheet and decided to cut parts of it out and then put it up on foam dots. And see, well, foam squares. But you can see, and it gives it so much dimension and it makes the paper so much more interesting. So I'm going to start doing this a little bit more. It does take time, so I'm not going to do it a whole lot because it takes a lot of time, because you really have to line it up carefully and cut it out carefully and everything. But I was really pleased with the way that come out, and I'm probably going to lay these butterflies down on my printer and make 3 copies of them, and then come back and cut them out and layer them just like K&Company did, because K&Company's going out, so I got to figure out a way to do my favorite stuff. So anyway, that is my craft hack. I wanted to share that with y'all. Alicia, I hope you can use that. I don't know, y'all, maybe y'all have seen it before, I don't know. Here are some actual stickers that I copied, and if you watch, these are kind of really flimsy. And this one here, this one's thick because I got the double cardstock like I showed y'all. So I really like doing that. And this one does, the lines for fussy cutting it out are very faint, but in person you can see them very well to, you know, fussy cut them out. Because I know some people, they're like, I really don't know how to fussy cut, you know, I'm scared I'll get it too close or not far enough. With this, you get it perfect. When you copy stickers, it shows the line and you get it perfect. That's like, this here is some Mother's Day stickers that I bought. Now these did not turn out as vibrant, but I didn't cut these out. I should have cut some out and put some triple thick on it to show y'all, but like I said, I was kind of in a hurry to get this up for y'all. But when you put triple thick on it, it gives it a sheen. It brings out the colors. It really brings out the colors and makes them a lot bolder. So I have a big old jar of that. I really like it, and that is my craft hack for today. I am working on some more videos for y'all that I will have uploaded at the latest by this weekend. So y'all stay tuned. Don't forget to click the bell, and thanks for watching. Y'all have a crafty day.